Hello and welcome to the Fabrico.Design channel. We develop professional sewing patterns and make them available to every woman. Using our patterns and video instructions, you can easily sew any garment at home and feel like a designer.
Today we are cutting and sewing the Orchid Bustier, a comfortable bustier with princess seams on the front and an elastic waistband under the bust. For sewing, you will need the patterns, main fabric, lingerie microfiber, matching thread. We have chosen thread in a slightly different shade to make the stitches on the garment more visible, elastic band with a width of 3.5 centimeters, silicone tape, thread, super stretch needles 75 number 70 or 80, and sewing accessories. You can find the patterns for this model on our website. Let's start cutting. Be sure to decate the fabric to prevent shrinkage during sewing. Follow the grain line direction, which is indicated on the patterns, and transfer all control points. Our patterns already include seam allowances. After cutting, double-check the number of pieces according to the pattern specifications. We should have central front piece with a fold, 2 pieces, front side, 4 pieces, back with a fold, 2 pieces, waistband, 1 piece. As the main fabric, we used lingerie microfiber. Biflex is also a great option if you plan to use the model for sports or single jersey knit for lingerie, as well as for a sports set. When made with compression fabric, it can be worn as underwear or sewn from appropriate material for sports activities. We recommend trimming the inner layer on a maith, which is against the body, by 2 millimeters at the neckline and armholes before finishing to allow for fabric rolling from the outer layer. Sew the princess seams on the upper part and the lining of the bustier. To do this, place the front side piece on the central front piece, right sides together, and sew with an overlocker. Match all control points. Press the seam allowances towards the center. Place the front on the back right sides together and sew the side and shoulder seams. Press the seam allowances on the upper part towards the back and on the lower part towards the front. Finish the neckline by placing the prepared pieces right sides together and sewing with an overlocker while inserting the silicone tape. Our silicone tape is inside the seam. And this is how it looks on the right side. Next, finish the armholes, starting with the front, from the side seam up to the shoulder seam, then from the back, starting at the shoulder seam and ending at the side seam. This means that we finish one armhole in 2 steps. To do this, place the pieces right sides together, fold them like this, and then hold the seam allowances so they don't get confused. The seam allowances will be positioned like this. Place them right sides together, hold, and turn them inside out. Starting from the shoulder, align all control points and pin them, from the side seam to the shoulder seam, and from the shoulder seam to the side seam. Sew the seam enclosing the silicone tape. Finish from the side seam to the shoulder seam. Our silicone tape is in the seam. Now turn it inside out. Once it's turned, finish from the shoulder to the side seam along the back, following the same method, aligning all control points and finishing in the seam with the silicone tape. Repeat the same process for the second armhole. If desired, secure the seam allowances of the princess seams with slightly loose hand stitches or use a broken zigzag stitch on a sewing machine. Do this as much as possible within the armhole area. For convenience, pin the fabric, align all control points, and secure seam allowances. It is important to maintain the elasticity of these seams, so either use loose stitches or a zigzag, but not a straight stitch. Repeat the same process on the other princess seam. Decate the elastic band and cut it to the required length. Then, sew it into a ring. Press the waistband along its length in half with the wrong side inside. Then sew the waistband into a ring using an overlocker. Spread the seam allowances in opposite directions. Insert the elastic band into the waistband and secure the lower edge. Align the waistband right sides together with the lower edge of the bustier and sew it using an overlocker. Hide the overlocker thread tails inside the seam using a needle. Press the seam allowances toward the bustier. Match all control points. Keep in mind that seam allowances are positioned in opposite directions. Sew. press the finished bustier. The Orchid bustier is ready.
Thanks for sewing with us. Subscribe to our channel and publish your photos in different social medias and tag us. You can find the link to our website in the description box below the video.